Hello, good morning. This is a great angle. Welcome to Centre Parks 2024. I am currently on the way to work because I don't have enough holidays left. Yeah, but we are going, me and Hannah are going to Sherwood this time, not whinfell. Oh, is it gonna fall? Yeah, so we're going to Sherwood. Very excited. Yeah, I will see you after work. Hello. Oh god, 1 second. Hello, I am back in the car, ready, changed. I have finished work. Oh, and I am off to Aldi to pick Hannah up. She has been around Aldi, got her some food, and then it's time to set off. I know. A medium or a large? Medium. We're in the car. We have had a McDonald's. Hannah's got some sweet. Let's put it in the sack. That's on there in but let's go!
1 hour, 31 minutes to go.
Oh, that crash pulls out.
Emily is driving.
How many kids are there?
Huh? Emily has about honestly like 20 songs in a 2024 playlist, and I think this is the second time we've listened to everything.
I like to listen to the same songs on repeat.
Yeah, I don't. Oh. That was really.
Are you okay? Yeah.
Yeah. Have you got a booking number or lodge number I can take?
Yeah. We're here. 962.
L962.
64.
That was
63. 62.
I took a video of this.
Oh. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, welcome to Centre Park. They haven't thinged it off properly. Enjoy your stay with some nice with some trees. We'll do a room tour in a minute, but we'll unpack everything and come in. Don't you? Yeah. We have brought the stuff back from the car, so I thought I'd give you a little tour of a what did we book? Can't remember what it is, but I think it's this apartment studio with 2 or 4 things. Perfect. I will research it. So we have the door. We come in. We've got a little cupboard with the boiler. We then have the table. What do you call that? And then to the right we've got the kitchen. The usual dishwasher, sink, bins, oven. This is lovely and quick. Glasses. Oh, there's even a teapot up there. Who knew? Mugs, but we did bring our own mugs because they're tiny. As I said, oven, fridge down there, a nice microwave. They even get a Tassimo. I think they're in every one, so it's quite good. We have then come into the living room. We've got the sofa, please excuse this. The telly is all the way down here. Now I don't know how we're going to watch that when that is there. And then we've got some nice little cupboards for like, we store our food. Knife, forks, spoons. Oh, what's on top? Oh, kitchen knives. Little tweezer things. Even a cup, that's cute. And then, Hannah's closed things already. We've got outside. Oh, well, it's dark. It was like when we arrived. We've got the barbecue and a little decking. That'd be nice for cups of tea. And then it is upstairs time. So we're upstairs. Whee! Which I think I was in the bathroom, but just a nice little double bed. There is this stairgate, which very annoying. And then we've got a TV, which is all the way up there. Why is one all the way up there, one down there? We've then got some nice little storage spaces, and a wardrobe with a couple of hangers on. Oh, a nice size safe too. And then the bathroom. The bathroom, which Hannah's in, I'll show you later. But yeah, that is it. That is the apartment tour. We need to get dressed now. We'll have a little wander around, and we've got, oh god, I don't like this. We've got Hucks booked tonight for 8:15, which is in just under 2 hours. An hour and a half, I think. So yeah, let's get ready. Out we are exploring, and it is dark, so can't see anything, which is fun. But we're walking into the village centre to because it's Hucks. Oh, I could have parked up there. It's Hucks.
They weren't free before, were they?
No, maybe they've gone back to the car park.
Oh, we just not paying attention.
No, I don't think they weren't free. We might be getting a letter on our windscreen tomorrow morning to get the car back to the car park.
But then everyone else is parked there.
Yeah, well,
you did say there was a car park for the spa people.
Yeah. So we must park in there. It'd be great. Yeah, we are next to the spa lodges, because that's the back of the spa. Yeah. But let's have a little wander.
Yeah, I wasn't a fan of that.
That's cute. What?
Well, it looks cute. You won't be able to see anything.
So it's a quick because it's tuned. We're in the leisure. We've got some apple and mango. Mango must be for a quad leg because our thing is soon. We don't want to go into. Oh, we have. It's not focusing. I can't afford. No people. We've had a nice drink in the leisure boat, and now it's time for Hucks. Oh yeah. I met a woman at the pottery painting. She was in the spa the other week. Oh, this is cute.
I'll let you
go.
Thank you.
That's good. Oh my god. Massive. It's really nice. Massive compared to whinfell. Completed. We have a menu. Also, the Wizard of Oz is on. Oh, it's not going to focus, is it? There we go.
Oh, I don't know how to get chili.
Oh, I think the menu. I think I'm going to get the half chicken. It's my choice. Yeah, I'm excited for this. If you want to know the menu, this is it. So,
Chili,
starters, the grill, salad if you want it, the burgers. It's like a build your own burger, which is quite nice. Some more, some sides, and then Huck's favourites.
I really want some Cajun fries.
So it's the half chicken, lovely. Mine's got the chilli.
Oh,
It's cold. We've just finished a lovely tea in
a really lovely
with a lovely staff member. A staff
Thomas.
compliment, Thomas. Oh my god, I don't do that. How cringe.
No, but he was
Oh no, he was lovely, bless him. He thought we were younger than me, yes, that's always a positive.
Yes.
Thought Hannah had just finished uni.
I told him he'd have the best time travelling.
Yeah, really nice, bless him. He was shocked that I've been at whinfell 6 years. So, it is back home time to... Yeah, that looks nice. I don't know why we didn't go there. Yes, it is absolutely freezing. Oh, I'm gone, hello. Oh yeah, I'll see you and get back to lunch. Bye. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, back. We are in our pyjamas. The tea has been made. Look at the difference in colour.
Oh, you made me go piss.
Just wearing please, thank you. Hannah's got some hot milk. The thing slipped.
It slipped.
Yes, and now it's time for a bicky. It is 11:15 at night time, and it is time to go to bed. So,
Turn all the lights on.
Yes, I'm coming. I will enter here. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.